Subscribe to INR.1000 and press the bell icon to get our latest videos.
Hi guys, in this video I will be reviewing the wireless JBL headphones, which is a copy of the original JBL. I bought it from an online website. The links to buy these headphones will be provided in the description below. You can go and buy this from there. Now, as it is written over here, the model of the headphones is MS. You can enjoy high definition sound with more comfort and with more sound. Now let's see what's on the back of this box. Now as you can see, it's given as the specifications of these headphones. You get a power supply switch, a charging port, a button to increase the volume, a button to decrease the volume, a telephone answering key. Now let's quickly unbox the headphone. Out of the box, we got the headphones. The build quality is very good. As you can see, the build quality is quite good. Now let's turn them on and check the sound quality. You have to hold this button for 5 seconds to just turn it on. As you can see, it's ready to pair. Now let me pair it with my device. Now let's connect these headphones. Turn on the Bluetooth on your Android device. Now as you can see, it's showing the model number of these headphones. Just click on the. As you can see, it has been connected successfully. Now let me play a video and show you the sound quality. Let me increase the volume of these headphones. This is the max volume in the headphones. As you can see, the sound quality is very good. Now let me show you the other features of these phones. It has got a aux cable port, a charging port, the power switch. You can also play FM, which is the radio. You can also insert a memory card over here. As you can see, there is a memory card slot over here. You can insert a memory card slot and listen to songs directly. And the battery of these headphones lasts for a day, and this is enough for a music lover. Now I suggest you to buy these, which are of very good quality, and the build quality is also too good. You can expand these straps from here according to your convenience. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe the channel for more videos like this.